Summer's here and you need to get a sick beach vibe. That means you're in prime time meal prep mode, which also means you've been eating dry ass chicken for the past week. If that's you and you're dreaming of a cheeseburger right now, then this video is for you. The only thing worse than dry ass chicken is medium rare chicken. So we're gonna show you how to cook perfectly juicy, moist, tender chicken that's gonna take your meal prep game from 0 to hero. This is a new series we're calling Hella Basic. Let's go. Hey y'all, welcome to Hella Basic. Here are the ingredients. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1 is obviously prepping your chicken. Now, a lot of you are trying to cook chicken that's over an inch thick. This tough titty is not gonna cook properly. So what you have to do is take a knife and butterfly this in half. Don't bust out a tape measure either. Just try to make sure these are roughly the same size. If the unevenness of your pieces is hella bugging you, grab a mallet and beat the crap out of the bird until it has conformed to your standards of beauty. This will ensure that your chicken cooks evenly. Now you need to be mindful of what kind of stove you have. I have an electric stove, which gives me about as much control over the heat as cooking with lightning. We're cooking the chicken over medium-high heat, so maintaining accurate temperature is crucial to a juicy bird. Because we're going to be cooking a lot of chicken, we're going to be using grapeseed oil or another high smoke point oil like canola or vegetable oil. If you use olive oil, your house is going to look like you hotboxed your car. Now, I don't want to throw this tip out because I feel it's common sense. If your pan's too hot, turn it down. We're cooking this for 4 to 6 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of your chicken. You're looking for the juices to run clear, then it's ready. Go ahead and take this off the heat, place in a container, and cover your container with foil. Your chicken will keep cooking after you take it off the heat. Let it rest for 5 minutes if you want to eat it right away, or cool it completely before you put it in the fridge. Now here's a major pro tip. If you're trying to cook 7 days worth of chicken, don't. Chicken will have a peak shelf life of 3 days. So if you cook your chicken on a Sunday night, this should last you until Wednesday's lunch, at which point you need to cook more chicken. If you're cooking more than 6 pieces of chicken, then you'll need to deglaze your pan once it gets too hot, and then you can save all that delicious chicken bitties from the pan to make a sauce. Step 4 is repurposing your chicken. I cannot stress this enough, sauces will save you. While we did our best to keep our chicken moist, the reality is your chicken will start to dry out. You will really notice this if you're reheating your food in the microwave. Gordon Ramsay would not approve. Here's where the delicious pan sauce, some pesto, barbecue, or lemon juice and hot sauce come in to jazz up that bird and give you the will to keep eating chicken. Now, don't forget to subscribe for even more food content. And if you want to see some more recipes, click up here. Enjoy, y'all.